Hey guys, I will show you how to use a Mainstays 20-inch griddle model MS-GRD20. This is a temperature probe with a sensor inside to control the temperature of griddle surface with a maximum 400 Fahrenheit. With this griddle, I'm going to show you how to cook an egg and toast 2 pieces of bread. First of all, I plug the temperature probe to the side of griddle. As you can see, I also use a power meter to monitor the electricity usage during cooking. I set the temperature to the max 400 Fahrenheit. As you can see, the power meter display show 1417 watts with the maximum temperature 400 Fahrenheit. When I turn the temperature down to 350 Fahrenheit, as you can see, there is no power needed because the temperature of griddle surface is already above 350 Fahrenheit. Wait the griddle to cool down for about an hour, then it's time to wash the griddle. This temperature probe may still hot, so must be careful. Pull the dip tray and check. The dip tray may already dirty after catching the grease. Use a soft sponge and don't dish liquid to wash the dip tray. Put the griddle in the sink and avoid getting water in the element connection, and wash it using a soft sponge and don't dish liquid. Finally, use a paper towel to dry off the griddle.